Hi guys, and welcome back to the Boataholic channel. In this video we will be removing the Volvo Penta D4 260 engines from our Sealine SC35 project boat. One of our main concerns with this boat, apart from the lack of interior, was the engines. We'd not seen them running, so one of the first jobs was to get those out of the boat, have a good look over them and run them up if possible. Also, both alternators were quite badly corroded, so they also needed replacing. And while the engines were out, that would give us the opportunity to fit the correct engine bay mouldings, which again were missing from this boat. So first job was to remove the hoses and bellows from the stern drives. We would then remove the split pins from the hydraulic rams and the gear selector, and remove the spindles holding the drives in place. Neither of me or Richard had removed stern drives before. We're complete novices. So the first drive took us about 2 hours, but once we'd worked out how they came out, the second drive came out a lot quicker and probably only took us, I would say, probably an hour. So even for complete novices like ourselves, they were actually pretty easy. In fact, the hardest part is getting the stern drives away from the boat because they are quite heavy. So luckily Richard had got a mini digger, so we used that to lift the drives away from the boat. And once the drives were off, we were then able to unbolt the engine mounts, and a friend or neighbour with a telehandler came across, and he was able to lift the engines out of the boat for us. So here is a bit of speeded up time-lapse video of one of those engines coming out. So with the engines out, it was a good opportunity to give them a good clean and get them dropped onto some pallets. Okay, so here are the engines on pallets. We did take the opportunity to fit a couple of new shiny alternators, so they have been fitted, and in the next video we're going to see if these engines will actually start. So I hope you enjoyed the videos, guys. Please subscribe and hit the thumbs up if you enjoyed the video, and we'll see you on the next one. Thanks for watching.